All right, guys, so we're going to talk about kind of the last part of the race. And even though you're not there right now at this point in the journey, it's helpful to still know what comes next, right? And so, actually, at week 4, you're kind of finishing up phase 1, which is remove. You're headed into phase 2, which is rebuild. And then phase 3 will start, 4 or 6 weeks down the road, depending on severity. And it's not exactly an exact time that this happens, but kind of the third thing that the body likes to do is rebalance. So in our house analogy where the house is on fire, you call the fire department first to put out the fire, and that is getting rid of inflammation, that's increasing your ability to handle stress, getting rid of toxins, supporting your liver and your gallbladder, and then supporting your kidneys and large intestine, those organs of elimination. So that's phase 1. You're finishing that up. You've got a good head on that right now, or good momentum with it. And then you're going to transition into phase 2 soon. And that's about rebuilding. So after you call the fire department, then you call the contractors to rebuild what has been damaged. And then part 3, which I want to talk about in this video, is we're going to call the electricians and the plumber, whoever, make sure all the switches and the water and electricity and things like that are all working, all the moving pieces. So that's kind of the physiology of the body, and it's the last step. So when it comes to the physiology, hormones, that's one of the big ones, and especially insulin and cortisol. Those are the two biggest ones that we're up against as far as balancing and regulating goes. Phase 3, when it comes to rebalancing, you also include neurotransmitters. Again, dopamine and serotonin and GABA and these things that the brain uses, the brain chemicals. There's antioxidants and other cofactors that are involved in immune system function, and just really chemical reactions that occur in the body in general. And then the GI physiology, which is extremely complex. There's a lot of moving pieces, but that's what you want to rebalance, is all of the players in these different parts: the immune system in the blood, the GI tract, the gut, the brain, certainly the hormones again in the blood. So a lot of these pieces and these systems now get to become intermingled and communicate, cross-communicate. So that's what this is all about, is restoring the signaling mechanisms and the physiology of the body. All right, but keep up the hard work. And like I said, you're going to transition to phase 2 soon, and this phase 3 will be here before you even know it, and you're going to be feeling better if you're not already. All right, see you at the next video.